Hola, bonjour, Kujani. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my organic lip balm at home. The ingredients we are going to need is already on the screen. That's our beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oil, which is optional. So the first thing we are going to do is make a double broiler out of 2 pots. If you want to watch the video on how I make my double broiler, don't hesitate to check it out in the description below, and I'm also going to link it somewhere up in this video. So we're going to pour, after making the double broiler, we're going to pour our beeswax in the pot and make sure it's all melted. After that, pour your 1 cup of coconut oil and mix all the ingredients together. Once it's all melted together, we are going to grab our jar, let it cool down a little bit, and at this stage, you can add any other ingredients you would like your essential oil, your cocoa powder, and which other ingredients you would prefer. Then pour it in the jar, let it cool down for like 2 hours, or you can put it in the freezer to cool down. And that's it. Our lip balm is all ready to use. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, and also leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will get back to you if you have any question or inquiries. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.